In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comment box in Surveymonkey. A comment box is perfect when you want open-ended feedback in your survey, things like suggestions, explanations, or context that multiple choice answers can't capture. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can add one quickly and confidently. Start by heading to the Surveymonkey website and signing in so you land on your dashboard. This is the central place where all your surveys live. From here, find the survey where you want to add a comment box. If you manage multiple projects, it helps to glance at the survey titles or recent activity to make sure you're opening the correct one. When you see it, select it to open the survey workspace. Inside the survey, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see the main editing navigation. Choose the Build section to work on your survey's questions. Build is where you add, edit, and organize content. Within Build, locate the comment box question type. It may appear alongside other open-ended options, but specifically choose comment box to give respondents a larger space for detailed text. Click comment box to add it to your survey. It will appear on the current page, ready for you to customize. Now enter your question. Keep it clear and direct so respondents know exactly what to share. For example, you might ask for additional feedback on a previous rating, invite suggestions for improvement, or ask if there's anything else they'd like you to know. If helpful, you can add a brief description or prompt to guide responses, such as what kind of details are most useful. Once you're done typing your question, take a moment to review the wording. Make sure the tone matches the rest of your survey, the question is concise, and it naturally follows the questions around it. If your survey has a specific theme or section structure, confirm the comment box is placed in the right spot to capture context while it's still fresh in the respondent's mind. When everything looks good, click Save. This finalizes the comment box and ensures it becomes part of your survey. Saving also protects your changes, so you don't lose your work if you navigate away. That's it. You've added a comment box to your Surveymonkey survey, giving participants a simple way to share richer, more nuanced feedback. Clear question text and thoughtful placement go a long way toward getting useful responses, so a quick review before saving is always worth it. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.